Tānei tō tātou himene. Ngā whakamaniti, whakawhetai, e ihue, mo au mana ki tāna, ki te iwi, e tau nei, ko koe te piringa, ka putaki, te oranga, e te ariki, pai marire, e te ariki, pai marire. Pai marire. Tō te akina manamatanga e tatua ki tō mātou kingi te kāwhiariki, me ngā tinana e māwiwi tāna, tai noa kia mātou katoa i te atanei ai. Mō te kororia, no te kororia, no te kororia, Lire, hau. Pai māriri. A ka mātaki hoa i te riu o Waikato anō nei he kapokau wake māku ki te kapu o Takuringa. He whakamiri noa i ngō nāra tau e tia nei he tupupua hau kia hiwa kai te tihi o pirongia ina he toronga whakaruru hau mōna. Ki taku tau wāwhirotanga, ana te ngoto o tōna ngā whā, i ngōna uma ki hai arikarika maunga tautaria maunga kawa, ngō pupuke maunga ngā taonga tuku iho. Hoki ake nei au ki tōku awa koi ora me ngōna pikonga, he kuratangi hia mo te mātāmuri. He whakawhiti atu i te kōpū mānia o kirikiri roa me ngōna mārakai. Te ngā whakatupu ake o te whenua mōmona, hei kawe ki ngā rua wāhia, te huinga o te tangata, ara te pai haumako. Hei oki ngā mo taku upoko, hei tiruhanga atu māraro i ngā hūha o taipiri. Kei reira rā kei te oroko hanganga o te tangata. Wāhia te tūngaro o te whare pūnanga o te kōrero o te kōhanga reo, e rangi kai taku ariki, ki ngi tū heitia pota tau te whero te tuawhitu. Nau anō ngā kupu arataki i tō iwi, a mohia ake te ora o te iwi kāputa ki te whaiao. Tēnei rā mātau, e tuku karamihi atu ana ki a koe, e whakanui ana, ai ngā rā o te koronei hana, te tekau mārima tau, o tira e whakanui ana i te kotahi rautau o tūranga wāwai, mo te kīngitanga, mo te ao katoa. Nā reira, anei rā mātau, te kaupapa o te kohanga reo, e tuku karamihi atu, tēnā koe, o tira tēnā koutou. A ki ngā mate tārūru o te wā, a te hunga kua pai ki te whenua, a i te tau whakawhiunui, a taunua ki tēne ki wā, a kai te tangi tonu. Hare atu rā koutou, hoki atu rā ki te moana nui, a ki te moana o Irokio, a ki te tai o ake, haere atu rā. Tāne whakapiripiri, a te whare e tū nei tēnā koe, a te whare o te kohanga reo, koutou, e manaka nui ana i te kaupapa, nei rā māua ko tōku tuakana, e tuku karamihi atu ana ki a koutou, a tēnā koutou kata. A kia poto noi ho te kakau o te paipa, kia whatiwhati te kakau o te paipa kia poto, anei rā māua e tuku i ngā mihi tēne ki ata, tēnā koutou, a tēnā tātou kata. He wai. Apa makatere te ake. Okay. Ana e nā tā mātou, a tā māua waiata. I te motu. Haere mai, haere mai, haere mai ngā hau e pā. Ki rungara, ki rungara, ki rungara te motu nei. Kai hau a uru kai toke rau, kai rā tuti wai pau nanu e. Ki rungara o wai kato, haere mai, e whātekau, ngā tau, e whakanui a ai mātau. I te kaupapa kohana reo, hui ara te pōpiri. E o kautau haere, haere mai, ki te mate, ki te ora, kua tukuna tēnei rā e. Tūnei tō tātou, ari ki mi, te ki tu heiti a e. Mana nei a tātou e, arataki, haere mai, ki te rao tō tātou e. Tai ki e, nā reira mai a mātou, a tai nui waka, kia koutou e ngā hau e whā o te motu. Aha koa, ko ngenei ngā rangi o te koronei hana o Kingi Tūheitia te kaumārima tau. Haunga anō, nā runga i te mate uruta, e kore rawa rā, a kanohi e tutuki, engari a wairua, e haere ake nei, Nā reira, e ngaku nui, a e ngaku rahi. Tēnā koutou, a tēnā koutou, a kia ora, hui no tātou katoa.
Ahoy anō e Rodney, a kōrua rā tō tuakara mihi e tēnei kia kōrua. Rinei te āhua tana o tō tātou nei noho moho au nei, taratahi ki o tātou nei kāina. Nā koutou te reo, te arawhata ki tō tātou nei Matanui i te rani i whakatū. Kia tau mai te tōmairani o tōna tawhai ki runa i a tātou. O tira ki te huri anō o te whakaaro, kia rātou kia naro atu nei. Naro atu i te tirohana kanohi, o tira rātou, kua whituirani tia, tira mamai ki runa i a mātou, tātou, e tau nei tēnā tātou katoa. No reire te whānau tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa, ko hono mai anō ki tō tātou nei kaupapa a kaina kōhana reo. Kua waimari e tātou, ki enei tokorua, enei moko puna o tainui waka, e whakamihi, e whakanahau nei a tātou, hei hiki, hei whakarewa anō i o tātou nei whakaaro, i o tātou nei inākau, ki te wāhi kotahi, ara ki tō tātou nei reo, me o tātou nei tikana no reira e mihi ana kia kōrua. E Ronnie, e pēhana tā koutou noho i tēnei wā, aha koa e nei āhua tana he manawa meki.
Ko te mea pai, e āhua wai ana mātou ki ngā āhuatanga o te noho haumaru. Nā reira, i te rātau āhua, āwangawanga nei taku āhua, engari i nāia tonu nei o kai te mohi ahau, kai whea runga, kai whea raro.
Ka pai, pēhea no te āhua ki o tātou kōhana reo?
He mihi mutunga kore ki te kaupapa te kohanga reo. Me haumaru te noho i te kāinga, ka i pēhia e te mate uruta, engari ko te mea nui, ko te oranga o te tangata.
Ana kua ngā whakahaere mo te koronei hana mo tēnei tau, kua hikina anō, enari he nui ngā kaupapa hei whakanui i tēnei tau. O tira ko tahi rau tau, o te whakatū, o tūrana waiwai. I whai anō koe i era o ngā kaupapa huhua, mo tēnei o ngā koronei hana?
I tai atu ki ngā karakia whakawāwahi i te kotahi rautau o tūranga wāwai, te wā i hara mai a te puea me tana rahi, i runga i te awa o Waikato, i runga i te waka, he ria mai i ngā mokopuna, i tōna iwi, ki te taha o te moana, ki te taha o te awa o Waikato. Nā reira, ko tahi rau tau tēnā. Ko huraina ko te pau, e tuku a maharatu a ki tēnā ka momo mahi. Nā reira, he honore nui, te tai ki tawa wā, a wāhi, te whakanui te kaupapa o te ko tahi rau tau o Tūranga Wāwai Marae. Tēnā koutou.
Ana he atu anō, e ki ana te Pākehā ko nā milestones, ko te 15 tau, o tō tātai nei kini, e noho nei ki te ahu rewa tapu. Ka kitea i nā whakaahua i te wā, i whakairihia ia hei kini mō tātai, i hikina te paipera ki runa i tōna upoko. He rere kē mai tērā wā ki tēnei. Ahua, mataku ana te ahua tō tātai tanata tō tātai kini. Pariro ia tēnei ai he honore, enari he kaupapa nui, hei amo ake mōna ki te kawe i nā whakaaro, i nā moimoi o te motu meki, o nai tātai te iwi Māori. Nō reira, te ahua nei, e pai, kei te pai, kua tauna.
Ko tauna, ko tōna tino tongi kura, a tāparatia te mahina, he pūrangi, he māneanea, nō reira, e rangi kei taku ariki. Ahapa ko ngenei ngā rā, o tō kora neihana, o tira, ngā rā wairua, i wehe atu ai tō tātā ariki nui tātai rangi kāhu, kei te tuku tonu i ngā whakaaro ki runga i a koe, o tira ki te whare kāhui ariki, e utonu nei ki ngā manaakitanga o te iwi, o te motu. I runga i tēnā, e rangi kei taku ariki ka mihi rā te ngākau.
Ka pai me te mohi anō e hara ko koe ana he kai reira tō tuakana. Te take, e pēhe ana?
Kei te ora tonu, kei roti tēnei wā te maha uitanga te kaimaiwa, he pai. Noho haumaru ana ki te kāinga, ka pēra hoki ngā tātai tamariki mokapuna, ko te tūmanako ka pēra hoki ngā tamariki mokapuna o te motu. Noho haumaru ai ki te kāinga.
Ka pai, kei te kite, kei te ahua naro etahi o koutou, mena ko Bob Marley a Rodney, ko koutou o muri na Irie Threes. Kei tērā taha hoki te moana tā poko o tāwhaki tētahi o koutou tuakana. E pēhe ana te ahua ki a rātou kei ahi treiria noho mai ana.
Ka rea no titi whānu ko haumai ki mātai. Te ahua nei kei te pai, engari ka moi o tātou katoa, te katoa te aka pera te ahua. Nō rei me āta tūpata tātou, ki roki i nei wā o te taumaha.
Kua pāngia e te mate uruta ki ahi treira, ko tā māua, ko tōku tuakana a ropata, e toro hiata ana i ngā kai ki te hunga kore whai puta, ki te hunga rawakore, e mahi tonu ana ia i ngā mahi o te kapahaka, e whaka ki ngā whāruarua e ki ana ki tērā takiwa o te taiapa.
Ai ahua tikana, kua ahua kitau e tahi o nā kiriata, wā rātou RSAs e ahua hira ra wātu, rite ki te casino, ke te ahua wā rātou RSAs, kei reira ia e whakanahau ana i te iwi, e waiata Māori ana i roto i era o nā momo whare. O tira ko era whare ahua rere ke ki wene o konei, kei reira katoa nā kaupapa maha, mo te huna e kimi ana i tētahi wāhi whakatāno reira. Ai, mihi ana ki aia, o tira mihi ana, o tira ki a kōrua, i hono mai i tēnei rā, hei tīmatana mō tātou. Amuri ake nei, ka kōrero hau ki a Porsche. I mātaki anō koutou e rau nā taumā heke ki Tokyo.
Te kēmu o ngā kēmu. Hau ngana i pōhehe au ka toa whiti. Engari anō, ko te kapa o pango, kapa tuawhitu. I Waimarie, nā reira, e ngā māreikura, nā koutou anō te kourai whiwhi. Kua poho kereru nei a Aotearoa i a koutou. Nā reira, nau mai tahuti mai e Porsche, a te tahi manu pirere o te kaupapa o te kohanga reo.
Ka pai no re, e mihi ana kia kōrua. E hoa mā mena, kia pai te noho, a tōna wā ka kite anō tātou i a tātou. Te ātāhua hoki o tō tātou kaupapa te korowaitana i Waimari e tū ki roto o Tainui, ki tauwhare, ki te roa tātou nei marae, ki te whakakao mai anō i a tātou, ki te wāhi kotahi, hei whakanui anō, i wā tātou whānau, i wā tātou mokopuna. E te whānau, tēnā kōrua, tēnā koutou, ka tae anō tētahi hoiana e hoa hānau te iwi ki te whakarono i au e kōrero ana. Engari, he waiata nō koa, he waiata nō pea.
Hea te teo wata. Hea. Ki ngā mokai kiri he aha te itapu uma e tūki nei ka mamae he aroha pea ki te kau wa momotu ki tapiti aue te aroha aue te mamae ai pehi ki no iho nei i ngā mokai kiri te ohora ngā tahi maranga mai hapai ngā toiwi ki a kaha ki a toa kia mana wani ake ki a kaha aue te aroha aue te mamae ae pehi ki no iho ei ki ngā mokai kiri ki ngā mokai kiri tahiru a tore wā hi aue hi i runga i ngā kupua ki ngi tū heitia kia kaua i tumanako kia painoa engari me tumanako kia pairawa ake me pioke he awheo mo te kaupapa o te kohanga reo he taonga tiku iho nā te atua he taonga e kore ngaro i ngā tau whakahuihui i ngā tau taka ori e ngā punui e ngā kurahi tēnā koutou tēnā tātou katoa
Tira tēnā kōrua e Ronnie, e kōrua e whakamāna wana i a tātou e te whānau, ki te hiehia no koutou i ētahi o nā waiata ana tamatoa manu tiori whāna kei runa i te SoundCloud ne ka haere koe ki te ranahau i runa i tērā o nā kaupapa o te Google ka haere ki SoundCloud ahua te kau nā waiata wa whakairi ki reira nā te kohana reo hoi anō nā wēnei nā tēnei whānau i tā koha mai hei whakarono mā tātou tamariki mokopuna no reira haere ki reira ka kite ai koutou ka rono ai koutou i te roa nātu o nā waiata a te whānau nā whāna brothers no reira e mihi ana kia kōrua kia pai te noho haumaru nā manakitana ki runa i a kōrua me o kōrua whānau o tira ki tō tātou kīni te makau āriki, arawa mokopuna tamariki, tēnei te mihi o te nākau kia kōrua. E akurana tira i tēnei ata, tēnā kōrua, tēnā tātou.
Kia ora tauri.
Ka pai nā mehe.
Ngā me.
No reire te whānau, ai, koina te timatana o tō tātou nei kaupapa a kaina kōhana reo. He kiri atu e whai ake nei, i hanaia mai e te kinitana, hei whakamaumahara ki tō tātou nei ariki nui, ia te ātārani kāhu, No reira, ka whakapiti ati tātai, ki tēnei o tātai nei kiriata i tēnei rā e te whānau. Tauha, hei te ako tonu ahau wēnei mahi, ēnari. Me hoki mai ki konei, ka whae kārero e te whānau. Nō reira, anei, he wāhi hei whakamaharatana ki tō tātai nei arikini, ia te ātairani kāhu e te whānau mai tonu mai. O tira, e te whānau tangi hotu tonu ana tēnā kau ki tō tātai nei arikini. Te ātairani kāhu, kōrero atu nei me te kite atu o te maha o nā kaupapa i tautoko hia e ia, o tira te mokopuna o te motu, e te kahurani haere moi moira. Nō reira, tētahi o nā kaupapa tino nui, ko te tautoko hoki wa tātou nei hākina ki ngā Māori, Māori Sports Awards, ko ia tonu, te amo kapua o tērā o ngā kaupapa. Nō reira, kei konei, whatai mai, tētahi wā tātou nei kuini me ki, he kuini anō tēnei, o ngā mahi a hākina kina hoko whitu, e pōsha e te māreikura, tēnā rawa atu koe Atamari Mōrena.
Atamari tāhere, and I'm koinei tērā, tērā tino whakahirahira ki o te motu nei, ki au nei he wā harikoa, he wā whakanui i tō tātou nei kingitanga me ki. Ai, kia ora tāhere.
Ka pai. A kine pēr ko te pātai, ko hoki mai koe i Tokyo, ka awa o araha mai te whānau ai, ka whakawhiti, ka māwhiti tātou i ngā reo e rua. We have a great opportunity here to have a bit of a kōrero. We're lucky in lockdown, I can ring anyone we like and they will come on. Because we all know we're all at home, so there's no running away. Portia, you've just come back from Tokyo, from a place that was in lockdown, and we didn't know if the Olympics will go ahead. What is the experience of, I suppose, COVID like overseas compared to Aotearoa?
Compared to New Zealand or compared to Aotearoa, nobody seems to have a worry about COVID. They walk around as if there's no problem. In Japan, it was quite rampant there, and we know there was a lot of COVID cases and all that sort of stuff. So we were kind of expecting people to be all locked up in their rooms or in their apartment village, and not really go anywhere. But when we got there, people were just walking around as if there was nothing going on. Some had masks, some didn't. So it's like it was a different concept or a different ahua to how we were here in New Zealand, and just took a little bit to get used to. When we went into the food hall, it was busy, and we had to try find the quietest place in the food hall. But yeah, it's a really different world out there, to be honest. People just living with COVID as if it's nothing.
Yeah, and we had whānau like yourselves, I suppose, for Māori, because there's not heaps of us. So every Māori that we do have, we treasure and we value. We had whānau going there, whether they be reporters, athletes, really kind of we're a bit worried about not bringing COVID home, I suppose, with the new strain. So was there any kind of did you have those concerns for yourself and your whānau?
Yeah.
Where you're from, from the metropolis of, where are you from again, in the middle of
the hub of the north, of Kaikohe, of course. So once before we had to go over, before we went overseas, we had to get vaccinated and we had to have both doses. So once I got that, I kind of felt invincible. But those same whakaaro of bringing it home was a little bit scary. So everyone in our team did their absolute best to make sure we firstly didn't catch it, because then we were out of the Olympics, and then secondly to make sure that we come home safe and we don't bring it to any of our whānau. And we tried to follow as many health measures that the NZ Olympic Committee kind of gave us, and I think it really worked. We had masks, like P2 masks, probably the best masks you could have across the world, and we had those on tap everywhere we went. We had those, and sanitizer galore, and our hands were going dry, but that was what it took to keep our whānau safe. And I think we did a really awesome job. Coming home, we had a chartered flight, was just all New Zealand athletes. Everyone did their job on there, and we went straight into MIQ, and I don't see there was no chance at all for COVID to get through from there. So definitely at the forefront of our mind, making sure our whānau don't get any of that.
Yeah, amazing. What about because you went to the last Olympics in Rio, and I suppose the difference between going to a place where there's heaps of people in the stadiums to a empty stadium, that must have been a bit surreal.
Yeah, definitely. We could hear each other on the field. We weren't used to that. I think we were playing in Townsville a month before the Olympics, and I couldn't hear Ruby or Sarah either side of me. And so that was something we thought we'd have to get used to. And obviously, once we got to Tokyo, no crowds, no noise, no nothing, we could hear each other perfectly. and that was a little bit sad because, like you said, from Rio, we had packed stadiums. I had my whānau over there. We had the opportunity to mix and mingle with other countries, other athletes, and other athletes within the New Zealand team, to go to Tokyo, where it was completely shut down in terms of stay in your own bubble, don't interact with anyone else, was quite sad. You know, really feeling for the young girls in our team who it was their first time where they didn't get that opportunity to hang out and talk with other athletes. But yeah, it was different having no crowd.
Yeah. I have to say, whoever was doing the music during your guys' games was on. The music was pumping. It was like a seventh big massive party. The sounds were going off, and it really kind of added to the, I suppose, the urgency of what was happening on the field. There was some pretty we were scared. You made us worried there for a little bit.
Yeah, I bet. I've only watched a couple of those games, the Great Britain and the Fiji game, maybe once or twice, because I can't handle even just watching it. And I know the results of the game. I still get a little bit nervous. But yeah, I think we went had a little nap partway through those games, which wasn't ideal, and put ourselves in a really tough situation to fight it out. But in all honesty, it never really felt like we were going to lose. It just felt like we're going to find our groove again, and we'll get it, and we'll move on to the next game. So I think we had practiced and trained for those same situations for a long time. And so when we got to that point on the field, which we don't really plan to, we kind of knew what we had to do. So it was kind of cool.
Yeah, I think, is it Ruby Tui? Yeah, wow. I think she went viral with her kōrero, and everyone was saying they had never heard, I suppose, someone's inner voice. She actually said what was in here and what was in her heart straight down the barrel. And when she was going, we looked at each other and everyone was doing the pukana at each other and got told to kind of wake up. I thought, oh wow, what a great moment in sport, really, to for you guys to do that, and then to be able to turn it around when it looked pretty stacked against you in that the Great Britain game.
Yeah.
That was scary. Never mind the golden point with Fiji, but that
it's funny. Those moments that she talks about where you're pretty much giving each other the pukana, like, do you want it or no? Do you don't want it? Those moments really seem to slow down, and you feel like you're having a conversation for about 10 minutes in that moment. And so when, we did a couple of things that were a little bit uncharacteristic, we kind of look at each other like, okay, ke te aha koe, like, what are you up to? What are we up to? Like, we got this, you got to get back on the waka and pull us out of this. So in those moments, it kind of just slows right down, and you give each other the pukana and then go, okay, let's move on, and we're going to win this, eh?
And you did it with great style, and I suppose what for me, not that I'm Mr. Sports or whatever, commentator of the year, but not only did you brought so many aspects to the game, to these Olympics. For a lot of our whānau, there were a lot of, you say kaikohe, well, there's a whārua called Ruatoki, and there's all these little places, and all the girls, they're from the motu, and they're all from these kind of little pa villages, marae villages, who got to compete at the highest level.
Yeah.
And you guys were so honest about who you were, and your Māoritana came so naturally, which it should, which is what Māori is, to be natural.
Yeah.
And raising the profile of wahine in sport.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Did you have a sense of any of that?
I think within our environment, we kind of have a few visions that we live by, and ultimately, wherever we go, we want to enhance the mana, and that's every person in our team lives by that. And whether that's at home in our own environment or overseas, traveling the world, or whether we're just here training our bums off, trying to get better every day, we all live by that, enhancing mana or leaving mana wherever we go. And then by that, we just become really awesome people. And if Stacey's from Ruatoki and she's proud to be who she is, proud to be the smiling assassin of the Blackburn Sevens team who's got all these crazy businesses, that's her. And she's going to be the best person that she can be. And same as Sarah Hiddeney and Ruby Tui, Kelly Brazier, all the girls strive to be the best person that we can be. And if that is, and our ultimate goal is to inspire the world, inspire our nation, Aotearoa, by living and breathing, enhancing mana in our wake. And we love the idea that we can inspire our rangatahi from our small rohe, wherever we come from, whether they want to achieve or succeed in sports, or whether it's in arts or kapahaka or dancing. I know my nieces love dancing up north, so it's not necessarily about just playing rugby or going out there. You can do anything in rugby, but it's what are your dreams? And we want people to feel like they can achieve those dreams, whether they come from Kaikoura, whether they come from Auckland, Wellington, Ruatoki, Dunedin. And if we're Māori, that's even better, because that's a superpower not many people have. And to feel proud to be Māori is a huge superpower. I am grateful that Mum and Dad instilled that in us when we were younger, that we are tangata whenua, we are Māori, and that is just the best power you could have. So enhancing mana, inspiring the nation to achieve their dreams, and being proud of who you are.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I just want to kind of share something just for now. We won't probably put the words on, but this is a great moment. This is amazing. The whole campaign, finishing off in style with the haka. Who wrote the haka?
Oh my gosh. Waka Huia. Oh my gosh, I know.
What does the haka entail? What is the meaning behind this haka?
It's pretty much about we'll go into battle for each other. E Haruru is like the rumble, it's the battle, it's the grind on the field. And with us, we take our tupuna, and we will never bow down to anyone. We're going to stand up and take the challenge of whoever stands in front of us, or whoever we've pretty much run over to beat. That's pretty much the ultimate with that haka. And we worked really hard with that over the season, over the 6 weeks leading up to the Olympics. We managed to get our management all in there, and from our manager to our physio to our trainer, our coaches, we got them all in there, and we're super proud to have that opportunity that we can do a haka at the end of any game or any tour that we win. But that one was extra special. We'd worked really hard for that one.
No, that was mean, and it's such a powerful. We love our kapa haka here in Aotearoa, and the tua te wahine is different ki te tua te tāne, and you fellas did it with grace. And there were lots of hakas going around the New Zealand village.
Yeah.
There was medals flying. It's been one of our best Olympics ever with all the results. And how do you think, especially for young Māori who want to try and strive for those higher levels, with rugby, with the women's sevens coming into, there was a comment there I read that we're so thankful that we brought it back into the games, because we it probably had more drama other than the rowing on the water.
Too bloody tight, eh?
Yes.
I think what we really pride ourselves on in our team is that we have a really cool support network, and that's from our whānau, like Iti, like our mum, dad, brothers, siblings, our partners, to our whānau, like Stacey's whānau from Ruatoki. All her schools came out and pōwhiri us home when we got to the airport, and that in itself just shows the iwi that it takes, or the hapu that it takes to grow each athlete. And if anyone can have want success, it's to have and enjoy and grow in that environment, with such a supportive environment where you can't not survive and succeed in those moments.
Sorry, I'm trying to do a couple of things at once. I'm, got Tyler in there whose tane is Tipu King, and
Right.
we do wakaama. So we have been. Do you think there's opportunity there maybe for other Māori sports? Touch used to be a big kaupapa. Do you think there's any kind of opportunity for some other sports that we can pitch or promote for the Olympics?
I reckon wakaama, like you've got the likes of Tipu King and his whānau who are really strong in wakaama. So I reckon we could definitely push for that. Maybe at Brisbane Olympics in 2032. We're definitely, I think we're built for that. It's from Maidan or those kauiaroto or those strengths, So definitely, and touch with 90. I would say 90% of our girls in our sevens team came from a touch background. I came from netball, so I think the girls who come from a touch background, you're just a natural when it comes to sevens. So that is definitely one thing. I think we need to do more to maybe support the New Zealand Touch Blacks because they produce some amazing rugby players with their sevens, 15s and league. So and they wouldn't be the athletes, I'd say, if it wasn't for their touch background. So we need to really, push that. And whether that's New Zealand Rugby or New Zealand Rugby League, but I think that's something that needs to be really supportive. I remember going down to Māori Touch when I was a bit younger and absolutely having a ball seeing so many Māori all in one place because I came from netball and it wasn't a normal thing to see so many Māori athletes all in one place. So when I went down there, that was made me so proud. I definitely think that needs to be pushed.
Yeah, I think especially even with our Māori league, there's so much competitions that maybe aren't focusing so much on the competition side anymore, and it's more about the whanaungatanga and getting our ranatahi active. They'll go like this. They'll go like
yeah. They're socializing on their phone rather than kanohi ki te kanohi. Yeah.
What about and we've heard we've heard of the pressure of high performance with Olivia Podmore and such a young person full of hope, full of promise. How do we kind of or do we do it better? Do Māori do it better? I mean, but we our stats aren't great, let's be honest. But how do we what's their pressure to perform at a high level?
To be honest, Tawhiri, I really think we, as our Black Fern Sevens team, we're really fortunate for the people that we have in our environment. We have our coaches, Alan Bunting and Corey Sweeney, and both of them, they have their strengths. And so Corey Sweeney, he's our planner. He's the one who does make sure everything's all set out and everything. And then Alan Bunting, he is the heart. He is the manoa of our ropu. He is the one who, if you're feeling something in any way, you can call it all to him. And we're really grateful that we have these two people in our environment that we feel supported in any situation. We had a few, mental health problems within our team, and every team does, right? But the support that our team give us and give our girls is incredible. Whether you've been injured for the 100th time and you just need space away from our group, you need to go home, hang out with your family, do whatever you need to do, they'll give you that time. And I don't know how many environments give you that space. And I get it, we're fully professional, this is our job. And so we have that as our support base, where some people, they don't even get that. So we're lucky we have the support from our coaching staff and our management, that if you're struggling with injury, you've got whānau stuff going on, heia harane, you can go off and have that time. And it's not go away and stay away and be by yourself. It's go away, get time with your whānau, we'll check in, see how you're going. Everyone from our coach to our physio, our trainer, our manager, everyone checks in on those people. And it's not just, tuku karere, engari ki te kanohi, they meet up with you, either have a coffee or come over and see you with your whānau, drop off some kai. We're really lucky, and I kind of hope people are encouraged to come and hang out with us to see how we do things, because I'm not saying we're perfect, but I really think we've got a few things right in the past. And it's taken us about 9 years to get to this point. We've gone through our own ups and downs as well, so we've learnt what really works. And for us, it's making sure our girls are right. Ahini ngaro a wairua a tinana hoki, and our coaching staff, our management really put emphasis on that whole whare tapa whā, making sure it's stable. And if I don't think we would have been where we were if it wasn't for that. And I'm being absolutely truthful and honest. And our physios, she's all for the tinana, but she does so much for the wairua as well. We're lucky to have her. So I guess Tahiri, to put it plainly, is our group are really lucky that we've got the management extremely supportive and allow us to do what we need to do to get ourselves back on the field.
Oh, I think just us being Māori, your whānau will never let you get away with it if you even tried.
No, definitely. And Mum, Dad, and Auntie Belinda, Uncle Richard, everyone else, all the cousins, they're right there to support us.
Oh, yeah. I suppose they weren't happy with you when they had their stadium set up at the rugby club and the new players been cracking it with Great Britain. But never mind. That's all by the way. You guys were meant to, sorry, we were just... With our men, how was? I know they didn't really wanted to get the silver.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how do you think for our women's sports? You got Lisa Carrington. Got all these great wahine. Our Tāne seem to need a bit, even though we've been put up there for ages and stuff like that. Maybe a bit of support for our Tāne wouldn't go amiss as well.
Oh, definitely not. I think there's so much pressure that's put on our male athletes, always expected. I think anyone from New Zealand, you're always expected to win. We're such a huge nation, a small nation, but we do so well on the sporting arena. And so for our Tāne, for them to come away with a silver, I know how hard and heartbreak that is. You put everything out there, and all you can remember is the little things that you did that possibly had a result or had an effect on you getting second. And being All Black Sevens and having that name, I feel like it brings a lot of pressure, both personally and externally. We have the pressure of the country who's expecting the All Blacks to win all the time. And with being Tāne, they don't often talk as much. Women talk a million times more than the men, and that's just a fact. And so maybe encouraging our Tāne to kōrero, whether that's to their hoa, to their whānau, to people who they just click with. And that may not be someone who's in their environment, but I think encouraging our Tāne to kōrero would be really awesome. Girls talk to anyone and everyone most of the time, and it's easy for girls to talk. So maybe just encouraging men to, get out there, have a kōrero with someone.
Ka pai, absolutely. And not just to take away from their kōrero, just us saying that opportunity is there for our Tāne to kōrero is enough sometimes, just to say that the door's always open.
Yeah.
You fellas, not only have you fellas achieved at the high level, I was telling my daughters about it, how it's really tough for women's rugby and stuff, and how you fellas are kind of, you shouldn't even be there on the field. What are you guys doing? Looking at the All Blacks site, Adidas have designed your own kit.
Yeah. Yep.
Isn't it amazing?
Because the Black Ferns 15s girls, they went over to Portland and they got a full body scan of every girl in the team, so it will fit to a girl's body, which is really, really awesome. And Adidas, and like you say, there's we've come a long way for women's rugby. And I think not long ago, my partner was playing, and I think you got a little assembly fee and you played maybe 1 or 2 games a year, whereas girls nowadays are playing maybe 4 to 5, maybe 6 games a year, fully kitted out, a decent assembly fee. And now Adidas are putting in the support, and they do so much, and they've got contracts with different athletes now. So we're getting there, you know, and it's really awesome, and we're really grateful. And you know, we wouldn't be where we are if it wasn't for the Anna Richards and Exia and all those ladies who went before us to get to where we are now. But yeah, Adidas, they've come out with this special jersey, the specifically designed jersey for women athletes, which is incredible. Yeah.
Ka pai. Oh, well, I would love to talk to you all day. It's amazing kōrero. We're going to go anywhere. Engari, I got to let you go. But I know you guys were supposed to be, yesterday you were meant to be in Tauranga.
Yeah.
At the Mount. Yeah. So maybe just a shout out to everyone there and show us what you got around your neck.
There we go. That's what we're supposed to be seeing on Thursday. It's a little bit sad we're not going to be able to show everyone, but I'm sure once COVID is finished and stuff, we'll get around to see everyone.
Ka pai. And maybe just a shout out. I suppose one of the great things that we want to really celebrate is that you came from the kaupapa o te Kohana Reo. You're a staunch supporter of the kaupapa of Kohana Reo. You fellas, I think you fellas came back from Rio and you fellas came up to have a kai, have a little lunch with us, and I tried to steal your fellas' medals. But you fellas, you know, just a big mihi to you and your whānau, to Kawhina, your dad, and to everyone who, you know, because there's a lot of I was just looking at there's a lot of politics in sports.
Yeah.
There's a lot of politics in our life, and yeah, you guys seem to be able to take that all in stride and still come out with an awesome result and still be the girl from the pa and you know the tomboy that used to beat all your cousins up or whatever. So you know, if you'd like to just a bit of a shout out to everyone, I'll just hand it over to you.
Cool. Kia ora te whānau. Just want to say a massive shout out to everyone who supported the Blackfern Sevens. A special shout out to my whānau up in Kaikohe and Ngāwha. I know you guys are all tuning in. I'm getting all the buzzes and the messages and stuff. So, you know, special shout out to all of yous. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you, and I wouldn't be who I am. Mum and Dad, hopefully you guys are tuning in. Maybe. Love you guys. You guys are just down the road, so hopefully we can see you guys through the window and stuff like that. But kia ora te whānau, Tahuri, thank you for this kaupapa. Tēnei te mihi nui ki a koe, ki te whaka nui I tō tātou nei reo, kari au te tino matatau I te reo, engari ki te whakarongo ki a koe, I tēnei ata, tino a tāhua, ka harikoa te ngākau. But thank you so much, Tahuri. I really loved it, really enjoyed it. Tēnei te mihi.
Oh, thank you, te ahua. I was a little bit nervous about talking to you today, Portia. You've done so much great things, and to come on our little kaupapa, our little humble platform here with Kaina Kohana Reo for our mokopuna and babies, and also for our mamas and our kaiako. Our wahine are the backbone of our kaupapa, so I hope they can take heart in some of your kōrero and the kupu that you've shared with us today about, you know, they are fostering hopefully our up-and-coming Olympians.
Yes, definitely.
Whether it be on a world stage such as the Olympics, or whether it be at the kapahaka, matatini, or just sitting on the marae and growling all the kaumatus, or those karawis they talk too long. I'm sure that we've enjoyed the conversation, and to see the bling, I can't wait to get my hands on it and give it a little aroha. That'll be yes, it's here in Aotearoa. It has a home, and it looks great around you guys. And just I was still thinking about some of the scars you fellas came back with after the games. Oh my gosh, you certainly earned it. Earned it. It wasn't just given to you. You had to work really hard. Portia, Whai Belinda, you have more than given us your quota of time, and mihi ana nui ki a koe. Kia pai tō noho I tō kaina, ki waina nui I tō whānau me tō hoa rangatira. Nā manaaki tana o te atua ki runa I a koe. Te aroha nui o te kaupapa o te Kohana Reo ki a koe e Portia, tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe, Tahuri.
No reira, e te whānau. A kua tai tātou ki te mutuna o tēnei o a tātou pāhotana tuatahi mō tēnei te hokina mai o Kaina Kohana Reo. Hei te ahi nei, this afternoon, we will hear the latest updates from our Prime Minister, Jacinda, another wahine toa, as well as Bloomfield about what we will be doing in the next couple of days. So, te tumanako, you can ring our Kohana Reo number, 0800 Kohana, if you need any assistance or if you need help or someone to talk to. Our kaupapa kaimahi in Arohe are also still working behind the scenes. So, touch base with them if you have any questions, any pātai, and if your whānau need any kai or any supplies or anything, please let us know. Don't sit there and worry. We are here to awhi and tukitoko i. Nō reira, e te whānau ko tēnei mātou a Kaina Kohana Reo, e mihi atu nei kia koutou, kia pai te noho. He mihi anō kia Rodney, mā te whānau whāna, mua rātou nei kōrero i te rānei ki te whakanui, i tēnei te tekau mārima, te tuanahuru mārima, o tō tātou nei kini, kini tūheitia, e te pāpā, e te rangatira, e te kraua, e te mokopuna o te motu, ni te kāhui ariki, kia tautonu nā manaki tana ki rino i a tātou katoa. Rire rire hau, pai marire.